In this new updated template 4.2 version, I have added more features as per the user feedbacks. Now you have more options to select the financial period. Earlier, you are able to select financial period as April to March or Jan to December only. With new update, you can select any month as financial period starting month. You can simply select the starting month here. For an example, I will select July as the starting month. Then you can see it selected automatically in the month as June in next year. You can see the date as well. So depending on your requirement, you can select which month your financial period starting month. Next new update is now you can run the trial balance into a specific date period. Only thing you have to do is you have to type the starting date in this cell and the ending date in this cell. Here, then all the trial balance will capture based on the dates you have given. So all the other financial reports like P&L and balance sheet also will show the results based on the period you selected. Once you put a period in here, monthly option will be ignored. Once you're done with the selected period, you can simply clear dates in these two cells with the delete button. Then again this monthly option will work. Other than that, I have changed some categories in the balance sheet. We changed this to cash and bank, other receivables, receivables, trade payables, and other payables. However, users have freedom to change as they want. Moreover, I have optimized to deal with the drag and drop and cut and paste option in journal entries and the chart of accounts. Now you do not have to worry when you are drag and drop or cut and paste an item in GLJ sheet or chart of accounts sheet. Formulas will automatically change the results with the drag and drop and the cut and paste. Okay. Also, if you do not have enough space in the GLJ, you can simply drag the formulas you want in here, then you are good to go. That's all for now. Thanks for choosing the course. I'm looking forward to your feedback on this. Also, I kindly request to give 5-star rating to encourage the future development. See you.